Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai. Welcome back to the virtual show. I'm here to show you another great pre-owned vehicle, 2017 Hyundai Elantra, GL automatic, local trade. Look at it shine. Beautiful red color. I mean, it is shining. This just came out of the detail department. I figured I had to show this vehicle to you. So again, let's do a quick walk around. It is a local trade, bought here, serviced here. So I want to show you the vehicle on the outside, then I'll show you some of the interior features so you know what this vehicle is all about before you decide to call, text, or email us, or book an appointment, or come see us. Whatever works for you works for us. So again, the GL, you get lots of standard features. Turn signal indicators, you get nice alloy wheels, fog lights, big beefy grille. So again, very nice vehicle. Elantra's been one of our top sellers for as long as I can remember, because you're gonna get a lot of content, you're gonna get a great price, and you get lots of warranty. Good sized trunk. Again, our detailer Nathan always puts the mats back here so they stay nice and clean. As you can see, nice sized trunk, split folding rear seats, so you can pop one down, pop both down. Again, so if you need a little project at home, you can fold them all down, you get a little bit extra cargo space. If you need to put one down, throw some hockey sticks, something like that, definitely the ability to do that. Throw those mats back in there. Let's check out the rear. Nice cloth seats, carpets are all in nice shape, as you can see. Get some cup holders here, so if you want a little trip, the ability to fold those over, give your back seat riders as much comfort as your front seat riders. Power windows, which is to be expected on a vehicle of this style. So let's check out the features of the driver. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You have locking rear windows, which is a great feature if you have kids like myself. Adjustable driver's seat, so if you have more than one driver, great feature. Move that around so everybody's comfortable when they're driving. So let's turn this vehicle on. It is a hot day, so I don't want to get too hot in here. So, what are some of the other standard features? Well, hard to see because the sun's on right here. Here we go. Is that better? There we go. You can adjust your interior illumination starting on the left. You've also, this button here is your lane departure warning, so you can turn that off if you want to. I don't know why you'd want to. It's a great safety feature. And you have traction control, which you can shut off if you really want to spin the tires or something like that. But we always leave ours on. I'm going to turn the air on a little bit here. Whew. Okay, let's go over some of the interior features. You've got volume controls, Bluetooth, hands-free calling on the left-hand side. If you move over to the right-hand side, you've got all your cruise controls here. You also have your information center right here, which you can toggle through and set some of the preferences to your liking. Heated seats, 3-stage on both sides. I definitely won't turn those on today. You've got a heated steering wheel. I definitely won't turn that one on today. And you also get drive mode, so you can drive in a normal, eco, or sport mode. Again, all preference. We encourage you to drive it, see what works best for you. You got all your auxiliaries and inputs down there, which is nice if you want to have something plugged in. You got all your temperature controls, easy to use. Your hazards right here, air conditioning, power. You know, all your front and rear defrost. So again, easy to use, easy to see. That's what we like. Here is your infotainment center, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capabilities, and you've got backup camera. So I stress Apple CarPlay and Android Auto because sometimes someone says, what is that? Well, you can plug your Apple phone in, your Android phone, have access to navigation, real-time traffic reports, anything like that. So it's a great feature if you're headed out of town. And the nice thing is you don't have to step up to a top-line model now to get navigation. Use it when you need it, don't use it when you don't need it. So again, great features, low kilometers, great buy. So again, I've just shown you a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. As always, you can call, text, or email us if you have any questions. And you can continue shopping 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com. Book an appointment with us. We'd be happy to show you this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet. And we look forward to seeing you soon.